So what I think I'm going to do with this transmission, I don't intend to do much cleaning, but I need to see if what I did on this part could be the clutch or something. I need to know if the scratching I did will make any difference in the transmission. So the moment I put back together this part with every component the right way as it should, I want to see the movement of the gear back and forth. If that will make a difference, then I'll just know next time I'll deal with this part and do more cleaning and fresh lubrication and see how far it will go.